Welcome to weekly review of Nifty. So, as we expected, Nifty went up and made all our targets this week, and our target of 24,830 to 860 is still on track. And Nifty is closed very much bullish. And for this week, the Nifty, if it trades about 24,635, it will make an attempt for 24,370 and 24,860, 840 to 860. So, and that I think could be a short-term top, this area. But we will decide when we get there, right? In our daily analysis, we'll cover that. So the strategy would be to, if it breaks out above this level, then use a positive candlestick on a daily chart to enter the market and ride it till 24,840 levels. Conversely, if the market opens with a gap down and it does a correction, then 24,365 is going to be the key level where you can expect market to take support. If it takes support, it might move back to 24,635, 720 and 840. Otherwise, it could drift down to 24,280, and then the next support is at 24,143. So I'm not looking at the downsides, at least just based on the beginning of the week. I'm more interested in the upsides. I think the market would be opening somewhere around 24,540 like types, and then it would probably move up, or it could even gap up above the high and then move up. Because the global markets closed very positively on Friday. So I am hoping for a bullish week. So I hope all of you made good money last week and will continue to make good money this week. Please note, this week is a short. Thank you for joining me. I hope this was useful. Please do like and share if you like this content. And I appreciate your continuing support. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.